Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to transfer from Zebpay to bank account. In order to transfer money or funds from Zebpay to bank account, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log in into your Zebpay wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, go to tap on the profile icon located right at the bottom. Next, it's going to take you to this field where you have to go and select the method of withdrawal. So select bank account or bank withdrawal. Then you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and select the payment source. And when you're done selecting the payment source, you need to confirm the transaction or the information that you provided. If you're sure about it, click the continue button. And lastly, you have to enter the PIN in order to confirm the transaction. So type in that. And if you're sure about the transaction, once again, you could go through it and review the terms and condition and type in the PIN and confirm the transaction. Then you've successfully transferred funds from Zebpay to bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.